In southeastern Europe lies a country that serves as a historic crossroads between East and West. This country is Serbia, a land of resilience and legendary hospitality, home to around 6.7 million people and defined by its dramatic, untouched landscapes. Serbia borders Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria, North Macedonia, Montenegro, Bosnia, and Croatia. Covering more than 88,000 square kilometers, Serbia offers everything from the winding Danube River and medieval monasteries to vibrant urban centers and world-class ski resorts, making it a hidden gem for any curious traveler. Serbia's capital, Belgrade, sits at the strategic confluence of the Sava and Danube rivers. With its gritty charm, grand coffee houses, and deep historical layers, Belgrade is almost always the starting point for exploration. The city itself has about 1.2 million residents, but the entire metropolitan area reaches nearly 1.7 million, making it the largest and most influential urban hub in the Balkans. Belgrade is home to essential cultural stops, the National Museum and the Nikola Tesla Museum, which honors the world-renowned Serbian-American inventor. The massive Belgrade Fortress, Kalemegdan, stands as a testament to the city's turbulent past and is now a sprawling public park. Knez Mihailova, the city's main pedestrian thoroughfare, is lined with 19th-century architecture and boutiques, while the Skadarlija district preserves the bohemian spirit of Old Belgrade. Life in Belgrade centers on its diverse neighborhoods, Stari Grad, Dorćol and Vračar, and the modernist New Belgrade. The historic central districts are known for their walkable streets, galleries, and cafes, while the western side of the river offers wide boulevards and business centers. A striking symbol of the city's rapid modernization is the Belgrade waterfront. This massive urban renewal project has transformed a formerly industrial stretch of the Sava riverbank into a futuristic landscape of glass and steel. This neighborhood represents the new Serbia, ambitious, upscale, and cosmopolitan. Belgrade's public transportation system is a standout feature of the city's modern social policy. As of 2025, the city has made all public transit, including buses, trams, trolleybuses, completely free for everyone. This makes Belgrade the largest city in Europe to offer cost-free mobility, allowing travelers to navigate the city seamlessly without worrying about tickets or transit cards. Beyond the capital, Serbia is modernizing its national transit, most notably with the Soko high-speed train that connects Belgrade to Novi Sad in just over 30 minutes at 200 kilometers per hour. Serbia uses the Serbian dinar, and generally, the cost of traveling by bus or train across the country remains significantly lower than in Western Europe or the United States. The primary language is Serbian, which is unique for its digraphia, the official use of both the Cyrillic and Latin alphabets. While it can be challenging for English speakers to master, the locals are incredibly patient and appreciative of any effort to speak it. Serbs often possess distinct South Slavic features: tall statures, dark hair, and deep-set, expressive eyes, reflecting a genetic tapestry woven through centuries of migration and empire building. Serbia's history is epic and often tragic. Once the heart of a powerful medieval empire, and later a frontier of the Ottoman and Austro-Hungarian empires, it became the founding core of Yugoslavia in the 20th century. After the breakup of Yugoslavia and the transition to a modern republic in the early 2000s, Serbia has focused on European integration and has emerged as one of the fastest-growing tech hubs in the region. The Serbian flag, 3 horizontal stripes of red, blue, and white, with the royal coat of arms, represents the nation's enduring spirit and its Orthodox Christian heritage. Visitors should keep a few practicalities in mind. Serbia is very budget-friendly, though prices in high-end riverscapes can be higher. While the country is exceptionally safe, it is always wise to watch for overcharging taxis in tourist areas. A unique cultural quirk is the Polako, slowly lifestyle. Locals take their coffee very seriously, and a quick espresso can easily turn into a 2-hour conversation. Serbia experiences a continental climate with 4 distinct seasons. In the summer, Belgrade and the southern plains can see temperatures soar above 35 degrees Celsius, while the lush forests of the Tara National Park stay refreshing. Winter brings significant snowfall to the mountains, turning Kopaonik into a premier destination for skiers. This seasonal variety ensures Serbia is attractive year-round, whether for summer festivals or winter retreats. Economic realities vary between the bustling capital and rural villages. The average monthly salary is approximately $850 to $1,000 after taxes, though those in the booming IT sector earn much more. Income tax is relatively low, at a flat rate of around 10%. However, rent prices in Belgrade have surged recently due to an influx of expats. A one-bedroom apartment in a trendy area can now cost between $600 and $900, creating a significant cost of living challenge for many locals. Serbians are famously warm, boisterous, and fiercely loyal. They treat guests like royalty. While people tend to dress casually and practically, they have a deep sense of pride in their appearance during going out. Serbia is a deeply traditional but secular-leaning society, where the Serbian Orthodox Church remains a vital pillar of national identity and cultural holidays. Serbia is widely recognized for its intellectual and athletic contributions. Beyond Nikola Tesla, the country has produced world-class scientists like Milutin Milankovic and modern icons like tennis legend Novak Djokovic. Food is the soul of the Serbian experience. The cuisine is a hearty mix of Balkan, Turkish, and Central European influences. Meat is a staple, with ćevapi, grilled minced meat, and pljeskavica, Serbian burger, being national favorites. Sarma, stuffed cabbage rolls, is a winter essential, while the ubiquitous pekara, bakery, offers fresh burek pastry. Serbia attracts a growing number of visitors from across the globe, especially digital nomads and young travelers. The country is becoming increasingly multicultural, with large communities of Chinese, Turkish, and Russian residents adding new layers to the social fabric. Serbia is world-famous for its nightlife, and Belgrade is the undisputed party capital of the Balkans. The city's energy doesn't peak until well after midnight. Whether it's a traditional kafana with live folk music or a world-class techno club, the city offers an intensity of nightlife that rivals Berlin or Ibiza. Serbia is one of the most authentic and soulful destinations in Europe. Its blend of grit and glamour, ancient traditions and modern energy, and its genuinely welcoming people make it a place that leaves a lasting impression.